Welcome to my channel, welcome back. So today we are going to test this idea of a dihedral on add-on to my flying wing. I've obviously put one on either side. We already had two events where it did not go as planned. It's already been fixed a few times. This flying wing is on its last wing, on its last leg really. It's had a lot of bashes, so I thought it was time to try something new. So it's a beautiful day today, and well, let's see how it plays. Oh, one more thing. I'm hoping that to get some interesting feedback from you guys, because the truth is I've already flew that wing just 20 minutes ago, and I'm really looking forward to get some input from you guys, the more experienced builders and flyers. So I hope you enjoy the video. See you later. Have a nice day. Testing, testing. Take 1, 2, 1, 2. Say something, Michelle, so that we know if it's working at that distance.
Test 3 of the plane.
Okay. And this is the third attempt to fly this dihedral add-on to the wing. We've seen it all. So it's amazing today. There's no wind. It doesn't happen. The only thing is I've got people here and people there. So let's hope we don't have a problem. Ready, partner? All right. And it's still going down the way. Okay? Okay, it's bust the nose again. Huh? Maybe it's what? Nose heavy. Yeah. Is it still working? Yes. Well, I thought it had enough because it was going, yeah. It's just, yeah, I was not happy. Okay, we moved back a fair bit now, where the center of gravity is now. A thumb from it. Are we ready? Test number 5. No, it's not going. We've got something wrong. No, it's okay. See, I produce a lot of power, but I think it's coming back from the back wing, from the extensions. Right. I don't know if I have any more room, but that would be the last attempt today. The battery is really floating about now. It's going to be just to see if it takes off, you know. Okay, just to see if it takes off. Right. Test number 6. Ready? No, it doesn't. Oops, we've lost something. It's just not working. It's not enough. Oh, get on board and learn from it because I cannot move the battery back anymore. Well, thank you for filming and thank you for following this channel. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Have a nice day.